doctors or engineers who are working in a particular area. Now, we know that doctors are not able to do that surgical methods and all that thing that are not patentable, but instruments, diagnostic tools, you are the people, right, who are handling that instrument continuously. You are the people who probabilities that you know that diagnostics tool, whether it is how it is working and all that thing, and in the process you may think of something and you may create something which will be a very good diagnostic tool, which may be a very good instrument to do particular surgery, particular what we can say the activity which is related to that particular process in your that service, whatever is there. So, in that case it is your duty, because nobody will understand what exactly you are doing, but you, because of your what we can say practice in that particular domain, you can identify. If you have gone through this course, you will appreciate, oh, I have done something, it's something new, nobody is practicing this thing, or this kind of difference means this, if that instrument is available, this will be helpful to so many people. If that kind of understanding is there, you can think of, or you can take help of an expert, IP expert, and can think of a filing of a patent on it.